Hey guys, it's Handcrafted by Jason Cooper. I'm here with a quick tip for you today, especially if you're over 40. So stay tuned for just a second. But before we get to that, be sure to hit subscribe here on YouTube. And as my daughter would say, smash that like button. Quick tip for you. Again, if you're over 40, because there's something that happens to your eyes as you get a little older. Now, I wear contacts, so I can see fine most of the time. But over the last few years, as things get closer to me, I can no longer focus on them. Now, if I take my contacts out and don't have my glasses on, I'm fine. But if I have my glasses on, my contacts in, I cannot focus up close. And that causes a bit of problem in the workshop because I need to see what I'm doing, and there are times when I have to get close and I need to be able to see what is going on. Well, someone recommended these to me, and I'm going to recommend them to you because they're a wonderful thing to have if you have that same problem. And they are safety glasses with magnifiers in them, and you can clearly see that. Here, let me flip the camera around and show you what it looks like. All right, so these are my safety glasses, and they've got the magnifiers built in. You can see that there in the bottom. Now, these are just 1.5 power, and again, the top part's just safety glasses. But if you have contacts like me, or you just can't focus up close, these make a big difference because all I have to do is just adjust my view a little bit, and now I can get a lot closer to the work when I need to and see what's going on. So if you're like me and you have that same issue, I strongly encourage you to get a pair of these. Now, this is the Dewalt brand. I think other brands make some, and this is 1.5 power. I think they're available in other powers, but I'll drop that link below in the description if you want to check some out for yourself. That's it for today. That's the quick tip. Get some magnifying safety glasses for your shop and deal with that vision issue if you're over 40. So thanks for watching this quick tip video. Again, be sure to hit subscribe here on YouTube, like this video, share it with your friends, and be sure to stop by my website at woodwork.cooperjason.com. I'm giving away some free plans there, and I'd love for you to sign up for my email newsletter. Well, that's it for today. Until next time.